All right, welcome back to another episode. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button, leave any comments in the section below, and let's just jump straight into today's episode, shall we? So over the course of the weekend was pretty stable despite what was going on Friday. We did have that spike down, which I will show you in just a second with Bitcoin. But right now, things are looking not too bad. I mean, things are in the neutral. So the bulls and the bears are going to fight it out. Let's see what happens with the geopolitical things. Of course, over in Israel and Iran, if things escalate, then a bearish situation could happen where we drop below 100,000. If not, then we could go back to our all-time high and to that price target that I've been talking about a lot on my channel of 120,000 US dollars. So right now with Bitcoin, like we saw on Friday, we had this wick all the way down. We retested the 103,000. We have to hold above the 100K, or there's the potential, possibility of coming back down to these levels, the lower to mid 90,000 US dollars. So we're kind of trapped at this moment in time within the 100 to 110,000, which is a good thing. I mean, if we're just consolidating, then hopefully the rest of this summer, going into the back end of this year, we can see some sort of parabolic run-up to conclude this cycle. So right now, like I just said, we had this due to what was happening in Israel and Iran, and this is exactly the three things that may impact crypto markets in the week ahead. So there's more volatility expected this week as markets digest the escalation of military action in the Middle East, and the Federal Reserve makes its interest rate announcement. So the economical events between June the 16th, so today, to the 20th, Monday morning is likely to see some market reaction from what obviously happened over the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, with Bitcoin remained stable. But yeah, let's see what happens later this afternoon here in Europe, but specifically tomorrow and towards the middle and then at the end of this week. So the Federal Reserve rates decision as well. The future market still foresee no change in rates at the coming meeting. So we do have the Fed data coming out as well. So we've got many factors. So yeah, we've got this one. The market reacts to the escalation with the geopolitical system. We've got the monthly report, May retail sales data tomorrow, the Fed interest rate on Wednesday as usual, and the US markets close, what's this, Juneteenth Thursday. And then we've got this in Philadelphia. So many things to look out for this week. The crypto market outlook right now, like I just said, Bitcoin did dip below 105. Right now we're back above 106 or 107,000 to be precise, and let's just see what this week brings. So if you're going to trade any of this, just wait for the breakout. If you're going to look to get, maybe we do come back down and retest 103 to 100, you could put some orders in here ready to get that bounce. I don't think we're going to go below 100,000 unless something major happens over in Israel and Iran. If things really heat up over there, then yeah, we could start seeing a major dump with Bitcoin. But if nothing massive happens, then I expect us to go back and retest 112, 113,000, and then we start going towards our 120k dollar level for Bitcoin. So just very quickly, with some have asked about meme coins. I'm quite careful with meme coins. I only hold about 5%, but meme coins to watch this week, we've got Pengu, Bonk and Popcat. Personally, I do hold Pengu. I think with this meme coin, you can buy the NFTs, these pudgy penguins, or you can just simply own the currency. So that's all I do. I haven't bought any of these NFTs. I think with the NFTs with the pudgy penguins, I reckon NFTs will come back at some point. Pudgy penguins is a new player in this cycle. You can find it on the Solana ecosystem. When Solana starts pumping, then I think pudgy penguins Really great project. I just hold the coins, but I think it will do pretty well this cycle, and especially if you're just holding on to it over the next 2 to 5, 6 years or so. So for me, out of those three meme coins, yeah, I would, but I'm saying that because I hold them. I do have PopCap as well. I don't have any Bonk, but PopCap, Pengu. For me, Pengu purely because it's new for this cycle, and when Solana starts pumping, then its ecosystem and Pudgy Penguins, even just holding an NFT, I think NFTs will eventually come back. You can go and listen to Ivan on Tech. I know he speaks about this. I know he holds, I think he owns some Pudgy Penguins as well as the native currency. So Pudgy Penguins for me is a good one to hold for this cycle and maybe into the next cycle as well, especially if or when NFTs do come back. Art is here to stay. It's at the moment, NFTs are not really, haven't done anything this cycle. It was more of the last cycle thing, but art usually sticks around, lasts quite, people are always interested in art, and I reckon this could be, who knows, Pudgy Penguins could be the one, the catalyst to start the NFT market, NFT boom again. So if I was looking at the NFTs, then Pudgy Penguins could be a good bet on that. And for the Bitcoin dominance, talking about, okay, we just spoke about the altcoins. Right now, the dominance is pretty sky high still, 64.5%. Bitcoin, I mean, it's king of crypto, so the dominance is what it is, but we're still waiting for this. And I've been talking about this for absolutely ages. And the moment you kind of forget about it is the moment where the dominance will probably start coming down. So if we just look at the weekly, might even check out the monthly. I mean, we've just been going up and up and up for a few years now. We did have this dump here, but we went even higher. So I thought 60% was going to be the top, but it's not. Now we're at almost 65%. Monthly candles, as you can see. Last time we had a massive altcoin season was all the way back in December 2020, and we saw this thing come down 30 odd. I think it was about 30%. We did peak out at 73%, and we came down, or 45%, my bad. So 45%, and we had that epic altcoin rally. So I think we could have something very, very similar. If you've been following me, you know these price points that I'm looking at. And yeah, if we do drop even 30%, I mean, 10% would be good. But if we did drop to these levels, this would be 25% decrease, and this would have 37 and 30%. So guys, we're still waiting for that altcoin season. Not here yet. Altcoins may rally for sure, like we saw here with this when we pulled back on the dominance. But overall, we're still waiting for that massive major altcoin season. What could be the catalyst? Who knows? Maybe NFTs, meme coins again. AI and gaming haven't got going yet, really. But time will tell. Let's see what happens. First of all, Bitcoin needs to make its move, and then hopefully, eventually, this will start coming down. I mean, the good news is you can still dollar cost average into whatever positions you're in, because altcoin season is not here yet. You're still early. DCA into those coins, ready for this collapse, because when this collapse happens, it's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be fast, and you're going to make gains very, very quick in a very short space of time. So you have to be quick in this market. It's only a short window where those gains in altcoins actually come to fruition. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to go over, now we've looked at this, so it's pretty neutral again. We've spoken about this, the meme coin, and that's pretty much it. So if you're new to the channel, if you haven't done so, please go ahead, subscribe, and yeah, if you're not, leave any comments in the section below. If you're not new to the channel, even if you're new, leave any comments regarding any of the altcoins that you're interested in. Let me know if you are into Pudgy Penguins and any other meme coins, or any altcoins for that matter. Just let me know what you're interested in. Maybe I don't hold it, maybe I do, but it would be interesting to see what my community holds, ready for that epic altcoin season. So enjoy the day today, enjoy your week, and I'll be back with you with another video very soon. Bye bye.